You may have seen this Facebook post that went viral, accusing a Columbus police officer of losing his cool and using excessive force. The post was made on February the 7th, 2025 at approximately 11:28 a.m. At the time of this recording, the post has 15,000 shares on Facebook. In her commentary about the incident, the woman calls a black officer an Uncle Tom and an effing sellout. It's sad to see this sort of racism being spewed on social media, but unfortunately that's the world we live in. Luckily, the Columbus Division of Police acted fast and released the body camera footage of the incident. What you'll see in this video is an officer politely asks someone to move their vehicle from the sidewalk. The driver then becomes verbally combative with the officer. As the officer approaches the driver to inform him that he will be issued a ticket, the driver asked his wife to hand over their baby and then walked into the street. The officer ordered the man out of the street for his own safety, but the man refused. The officer then assisted the man out of the street, and the man, while holding a baby, actively resisted the officer and began pushing against the officer. The coward, who used his baby as a shield, was ultimately placed under arrest for failure to comply and obstructing official business.
Yeah, you guys got to move that. Yeah, the car, you got to move that. You got to move the car. All right, give me a moment. Absolutely. I'll be over there in a second, my man. Yes, it's 31A. She's there. Talk to parents. Can you put me out at 1400 on the Parker? I'll give you the plate in a second. All right. So first of all, I was just letting you know, man. Like, but the attitude and everything like that. For that, you are gonna get a Parker.
Go ahead and do it, man.
I will.
Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it.
Get out the street.
You ain't gonna tell me to get out the street.
I'm telling you, get out the street right now.
Don't put your hands on me.
Get out of the street.
Get out of the street. Get your fucking hands off of me, nigga. Get your hands off of me, fool.
Baby.
Get your hands off of me.
Hey.
Get your hands off of me.
Dude, what are you doing?
Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your fucking hands on me.
I'm gonna put you down. Hold
Put your hands off of me.
head down.
Get your hands off of me.
Hold the kid, or I'm gonna put him down.
Get your hands off of me.
You're under arrest.
What?
For what?
What is he
I'm
doing?
recording you.
You're pushing up against me.
I'm recording you. I live here in this small house.
We were just getting the baby.
Record him,
Hold
daddy.
Hold the kid. I'm gonna put the kid.
Record him,
I'm gonna put him
daddy.
down.
Record him.
Dude, I'm gonna put you down.
I'm not for my
Why
child.
is he under arrest?
Let me go.
Why
Dude,
is he under arrest?
I'm not what? For what?
Why?
For what?
You're pushing up.
What's the reason?
Hold your child.
What's the reason? What did I do?
You
Put your hands
have
behind
to.
your
What did I
Put your
do?
hands behind your
For
back
what?
right
You
now.
have to say
For what?
why
You
he's
push
being
up against me.
arrested.
I did not do that. You arrested me.
I'm recording
Put your hands behind
this.
your back.
Give me
Hold
the
your
baby.
child. Hold your child.
Give me the
Hold your
baby.
child.
Let me have the baby.
Dude, do not.
Babe, let me have
Hold the
it.
child. Hold the child.
I
Hold
want
the
to know
child.
why he's arrested.
Dude,
I recorded it.
absolutely.
Please
Hold the
let me
child.
see baby. I'm
Hold the
done.
child.
I did nothing.
Let go of the child right now, dude.
not letting go of my
Let go of the child right
I'm not
now.
letting go of my child.
Let go of the child.
I need your badge.
Let go of the child.
I'm not
Let go of the child.
Can you just
Let
give
go
him
of
a
the child.
second?
No. Get your child.
I
I'm gonna get your child in danger. I'm gonna get your child in danger.
Child endangerment for what?
Let go of your child. Let go of your child. Let go of the child.
Babe, let me
Let go of the child.
please.
recording.
I'm recording. And I
Do not want to hurt you.
not do anything.
Let go of the child.
Kill me. I did
You
not do
said
nothing.
kill you?
Kill me. I did
Let
not
go of
do
the child. Get your child, lady.
I tried.
Get your child.
My child.
Get your
My daughter. This my daughter.
I'm
This
trying
my
to
daughter. Then
I'm
record him,
trying
Daddy.
to get the baby.
Then record him.
I am. Babe, I need to give me it, please. Because he's going to throw her down too.
No, I'm not. Let him do it. Let him do it.
Look how you're
Get your
Get your
I
child.
can't grab her.
Put the
I
phone down.
just
Get your
tried.
child. Let me record him. Let me record him, dude. Let me record him. Get your
I'm
child.
recording.
No, you're not getting him. Get your child. This is my baby. Dude, what is your problem? My baby.
Your problem.
What is your problem?
What is your
Get
problem?
your child. Get your child.
I need a supervisor.
Here.
Get your
I need
child.
your supervisor.
Please.
Get your child.
I
need your
can't grab
supervisor.
her.
Hey,
I
I can't drop him with the kid.
I did nothing.
Stop.
I did
I don't want to
nothing.
drop him with the kid.
I did nothing, sir.
Drop the kid. Drop the kid.
I did nothing.
Let go of the kid. Let go of the kid.
He did
Let go of the
nothing.
kid. Let go of the kid.
Let go.
I did not do.
Your kid's stop. Let go of the kid. I got the kid. Take the kid. Got this arm. I got this arm. Get the other arm. Get the other arm. Get the other arm first.
I can't breathe, sir. I can't breathe. I swear to God, I can't breathe, Debbie. Debbie, I can't breathe, Debbie.
You got him?
Debbie, I can't breathe. Debbie, Debbie, I can't breathe. Debbie, I can't breathe. I swear to God, I can't breathe. Sir, I can't breathe, sir. Oh, God. Sir, I can't breathe. I swear to God, I can't breathe. I swear to God. I swear to God, I can't breathe. Sir, I swear to God, I can't breathe, sir. Sir, I can't breathe. I can't. I swear to God, my stomach.
You're breathing.
Jesus Christ, what did I do? Oh, my stomach. Jesus Christ.
Spread your feet, man.
Sir, I do nothing, sir.
You're under
For what, sir? Sir, for what? Sir, for what, sir? Sir, I did not do anything,
Yes, you
sir.
are.
Jesus Christ. What did I do? What did I do? Sir, what did I do, sir?
As I'm
What did I do?
As I'm trying to see what's going on with your car, you push up on me. I ask you to step back in the road. You refuse to step back on the road.
Everything is
you
on
pushed
camera. Sir, everything is on camera. I did not touch you.
I gave you several
I did not
lawful
touch
warnings.
you.
Put them on the other
Sir, I
side.
did
The
not
seatbelts on the other
touch you,
side.
sir. I did not touch you, sir. I did not
Put them on
touch
the other
you.
side. The seatbelts off.
Jesus Christ. Where is the
you open that door?
supervisor? Jesus Christ, sir, where's the supervisor, sir?
No, the
Sir,
seatbelt's not
who's the
working.
supervisor? Sir, please, can I talk to the
Is it open?
supervisor? Oh, no, sir, it's not right, sir. It's not right. What did you talk to the supervisor, sir? Okay, I've got nothing else to do this. You ain't got to be doing this, sir. Why are you doing me like this, sir?
Problem.
What is your problem? This on camera. God.
I couldn't drop him.